Well, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got some buttons that we can fix onto fabric or leather or whatever you want. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to use them. And this is this type that we have, and another different kind. Same thing, but different way of fastening these little buttons. So let's go down now and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so here's the kit with the pliers. Pliers are nothing to sneeze at. They're very cheaply made, just plastic pliers. But then again, it's a cheap kit, but it does get the job done. Here's all your little bits and pieces. Okay, so you're going to need these buttons here, the two thorny ones, and these two as well, like the male and female. All right, so you get your cloth and you work out where you want to put your little buttons, and you get your little tool, and there's on this side of the tool, you see there's a little hole in there. Well, that's the one for here, and you just pop that in there. And on the other side, you get one of these. Now, if you get this problem that it just keeps falling out, because you will, what I suggest is just put a bit of just a little bit of Vaseline just inside here, so when you putting your little buttons in there, at least it's got something to stick to. But this way they can easily fall out. Actually, you know what? I might grab some Vaseline myself and just see if I can put some in here, because it keeps falling out. I'll be right back. Okay, so what I've done is I've put a little bit of styling wax in there. So let's see how that works. When you put in your buttons, at least they stick there, you know. They stay there a little bit longer. So let's put this side on too. So as you can see, now it sticks there. Let's get it on this side. Squish it together, and there you have your first button. All right, so we're going to put the second one, so we'll put it about here. So you got your rough part. I'd say you'd put that one facing upwards, and your other side is like normal, the spikes facing outwards, and you go click them together, and you should get a nice tight clip. Just make sure it's on secure. Let's see if it clicks on, and it does. Clips in, clips out. So there it is, and that's with this kit here. The link will be in the description. It gets the job done, I guess, but this is a little bit on the plasticky side. Well, it is plastic, so it's not going to last you too long, I don't think, if you're using it all the time. But, you know, on a spur of the moment, it will help you out and do the job. Next one. Okay, next one is a little bit better, in my opinion. There's this kit here. And it comes with all your little tools. So I'll just show you the tools first. Right, now here's your base. On one side of your base is the point, and on the other side is the clear or the smooth side. This one here is your hole puncher. This one here fastens one of the buttons onto the other, and this one does the same sort of job but works in a different way. I'll show you how it's done. First things first, you've got to make a hole. So I'll just use this just to make a little bit of a hole here, and just poke it through. You're going to need one of these buttons. So that one will go through the hole. So you got your button, it goes through the hole, and then you put one of these sides. So the outside part of it's going to be this side. So you need to put that side onto there. Now, because it's a smooth button, you need the smooth side of your little stand, and this is the tool that you need for this. Okay, and you pop that in the middle there. Now I'll take this away because this table is not strong enough. I'll just put it on the floor, just tap it in, and then come back. Okay, so you heard me banging that, and here it is here, and here's your button. You give it a bit of a twirl, make sure it's secured, and it is. And now you need the other side. So you're going to need one of these, and you're going to need one longish one and one shorter one. Okay, so let's make a hole, say about here. I've got the hole puncher, but that's all right. Put the long one through first, and then you put this one on top. Now you get your little stand, and this time you're going to be using the pointed part because that'll hold this one secure so it doesn't move around. So we'll pop that on top of there, and this tool is this one now. It's got a little bit of a concave in here, so we just give it a bit of a tap, and I'll just take it to the floor so I can give it a good whack. Hang on a minute. All right, and there's the other side, secured really well, and let's see if they work. And it does. So there's your button there. There's the other side. And all right, so again, this one's going to be in the description down below. If you're interested in getting any of these,